Hello STEM2 scholars. This video is to help you better understand what we expect for the research aspect of our program. The first thing we're going to cover is going over the STEM2 Canvas page. Once you're on there, you want to make sure that you click on Program Requirements. Once you click on Program Requirements, you're going to click on SRI Application. In this section, you will find a lot of information to help you apply for a scholarship, a research or internship opportunity. You will scroll down and you'll find a list of the different experiences that we have on here. Make sure to pay attention to the title of the opportunity, when it is due or when it has opened, and then you can click on the link to view the application. Again, we have summer research experiences, we have internships, and scholarships. As a reminder, you need to apply to a STEM2 approved opportunity. If you apply to an opportunity that was not on the STEM2 website, please make sure to email us at stem2@cypresscollege.edu. For the second part of this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the REU website, which will help you find more research opportunities. What you want to do is go on Google and then search REU programs. It will be the first link on here, and you can tell by it saying nsf.gov. Go ahead and click on that opportunity. On this section, you're going to click where it says Search for an REU site. And then you're going to see that they broke it down into different categories. So we can see astronomical sciences, chemistry, engineering, polar programs, physics, and much more. If you're like, my major is not on here and I don't know what to do, you're going to use the section right here where you can type in, for example, if I'm looking at specifically aerospace or plant biology, you can click on here and type a keyword and it might find some research opportunities. For those of you who might not want to leave California and want to only apply to California research programs, you could also click on here and put the state that you want to look for those opportunities. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and click on aerospace and click on search. Once you get on here, it's going to have a lot of information. It's going to have the site information, means the university name, and the specific research that they're doing. It shows you the location. It shows you the contact information. If you have any questions about the application, this is who you should contact. And then any additional information, and this is where they have different keywords or phrases or topics that you might be looking into for this research opportunity. So once you're on there, I might say, oh, I'm interested in the Iowa State University, or there's a Texas A&M University, and then University of Missouri. I just want to let you all know that most of the research applications are open starting the first or second week of November. So right now, since we are in October, it's not going to show everything, and it might have research opportunities that were from the past. So for example, I'm going to click on Iowa State University. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to ask you if it's okay leaving to go to another website. I will click on it so I can look at the opportunity, and then it's going to take me to the homepage of Iowa State University. So it's not always going to take you straight until the research page, so you do have to make sure that you're reading and looking and finding those opportunities. So here I can check, and it'll tell us the 22 application. So here is going to show students who have this last summer what they did with their research, and then for the program application information, you're going to find it on there. So again, some of them have not updated them, but what you can start doing is looking at what they expect when they do open the application. So for example, you can see that they're going to ask for letters of recommendation. You should be at least 18 years old, and all of the following as well. So again, every internship or research opportunity is going to be different, have different deadlines, and some might ask you about your academics and others won't. But basically, what you always want to do is go onto that REU website, and you're going to find different opportunities. Again, if it doesn't match your major, you can always apply to different opportunities. The important part is that you focus on research and gaining those skills. Usually, and this is a bigger tip for students who are going to be looking through the RU website, is that maybe in the first or second week of November, you click and download all of this list on an Excel sheet. That way you can keep track for the opportunities that are open. So for example, I'm going to click on Excel, and it's going to download a sheet for us. When that sheet does download and I open it, it's going to have a list basically of everything that you're seeing right now. And what it's going to do, I'm going to show all of you in a bit. I'm going to open up that Excel. So you can see that it's on here. Make sure that it's cleaned up. Basically what I like to do is go to each of the websites and then I make a column for notes. So if I open this one, I can say application not open on that node. I can click on the second one and say, okay, the application opens November 13th. I can go on to the following and say, no information, come back to it another time. So again, I would highly encourage you all to do an Excel sheet with specific research topics or areas or universities that you're interested in. Again, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to our STEM Square program at stem2@cypresscollege.edu. Have a great one.